Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below para every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, we're on our way to Mountain View Peaks of Busay and I'm with... Hi Joy! Welcome back to the vlog! Kamusta ka naman Joy? How are you doing?
Normal.
Agree ba kayo? Comment down below, yes or no?
Dapat prim and proper. Kurang kawang bata.
Kamusta ka na dyan?
Yes, I'm good.
Weirdo pala. Hindi pala nerdy, weirdo. Can you still swim?
This is unexpected.
Travel.
Unexpected lesson.
This is our only entry chant for the summer season.
Oy, dapat meron pa.
Dapat next
Dagat
time,
version.
magbe-beach tayo.
Yes, I'm a bitch.
How many hours did you get some
Mga
sleep? 2 hours lang? Hindi, 3,
Mga 3-4.
3-4, mga ganun.
Cool kid.
Cool kid.
Kulirang kid. Wala, already paid.
Wala, normal lang. Hi Athena, welcome back to the vlog. Nagbabalik.
It's been how many months since Siargao? Oh my God!
Kamusta ka naman Athena? How are you
Doing
been
great,
doing?
never been better.
Beauty pa rin, guwapo pa rin. We're currently negotiating kung makasakay kami ng taxi ngayon papuntang Busay. We'll be right back, we're still negotiating and I hope we can get a ride going to Busay. We'll see you there. Nandito na po kami sa Mountain View Peak Resort dito po sa Busay area and we're actually on our way to the swimming pool. Kakapagod talaga guys, paakyat ng swimming pool area. The road is too steep. Struggle yung mga kasama ko. Pero si Athena, laban pa rin. May saan ba itong swimming pool na to? Bakit ang layo? Kaya pa ba? Ito yung mga mukhang mga pagod. Athena, okay ka lang ba dyan? Saan ba yung swimming pool na yun?
It's very challenging. It's very tiresome. It's very exhausting. The brighter side is wala talagang brighter side.
By the way guys, yung pamasahe pala papuntang Busay is we actually rode a jeepney from Bacayan to ID Park area doon sa may flyover guys. It's only for I think 12 or 13 pesos. Also guys, we actually rode another jeepney from ID Park area papuntang Jeepney Mall and it's only for 12 or 13 pesos guys. After that, we rode another jeepney from Jeepney Mall papuntang Plaza Housing. So doon lang kami sa may highway guys. Nagsaka na naman kami ng motorcycle papuntang Mountain View Peak Resort. It's only for 80 pesos per person. The 80 pesos per person is only good for 2 people in 1 motorcycle. And per person is only for 100 pesos. And by the way guys, ito pala yung view namin ngayon. Super ganda talaga guys. It's really worth it na pupunta kayo dito sa Busay area. Maraming mga resorts dito. See you in a bit. So ayan, ito po yung view namin. Enjoy this view. let's eat some ice cream. Nandito na po kami sa loob ng swimming pool area nila dito sa Mountain View Peak Resort. This is where we're going to swim for today. There's actually like a lot of swimming pool areas. Meron swimming pool dito for kiddies. On the other side, meron din parang infinity pool. Ito na po yung swimming pool area. This is our view, guys, at the back. Dito po kami ngayon tatambay, guys. We actually rented table and chair here. And magkano yung table and chairs?
Ang table and chairs, it's for free!
At ito, magkano yung renta dito?
Benta ko? Table costs 4 to 5 shares. It's only for 300, so it's very affordable. Ang entrance is 50, but ang gagamit ng pool is 150 sa mga adult. For kids, it's 75. So it's very affordable for people who can afford.
Ang napakalayo na sa city talaga. We ride 3 different vehicles. Wow!
Dito pala yung pagkain namin, guys. We have chicken from Chowking. May pansit kami, rice, meron silang tuna, and we have the pizza.
This is the 2.0.
2.0 pala.
Yes.
I can almost taste it, Chan. Oh, wow! Ow.
This is so not crispy.
Meron din palang tables and chairs dito sa taas. Super worth it talaga kasi maganda talaga yung view dito. A bit, guys, pagkatapos namin kakain, we're going to take a dip. Enjoy this beautiful view of the city. Just finished eating and now we're actually ready to go take a dip in the pool. So is this your first time, Chan, na makapag-swimming pool dito sa Mountain View Peak Resort dito sa Busay?
No, it's my second time here.
It's your second time na nakapunta ka na dito before?
Yeah, it was around 2017.
May improvements ba dito?
The pool and
Mga facility nila, yung mga tables and chairs.
Ang init.
Ready ka na mamaligo dyan.
Ha?
Ready ka na mamaligo.
Maliligo na.
Ng swimming pool. Before we're going to take a dip, guys, naglakay na kami ng sunscreen sa likod, sa harapan.
Everything must be
Protected. 100%. Maliligo na siya. And ito na po yung vibes dito sa swimming pool area ng Mountain View. We'll be right back, guys. Tara, mag-swimming tayo.
I get this feeling, I wanna run away. Hit the highway and never look back. I wanna watch it fade away in the rearview mirror. Won't get lost cause I've been really off track. Lately been running, but I've not been going anywhere. I've been hiding without being found. I've been loving, but not been feeling anything. Been standing still, the world keeps spinning around. But when I see you, you make me feel like I'm alive. When I see you, I know I'll be fine. You are my lifeline. I get this feeling, I wanna run away. Hit the highway and never look back. I wanna watch it fade away in the rearview mirror. Won't get lost cause I've been really off track. Lately been running, but I've not been going anywhere. I've been hiding without being found. I've been loving, but not been feeling anything. Been standing still, the world keeps spinning around. But when I see you, you make me feel like I'm alive. When I see you, I know I'll be fine. You are my lifeline.
We just finished swimming and we're actually on our way back to the city.
We're going home because it's already 12.
Nag-enjoy ka ba, Chan? How was
I
it?
did. They're refreshing to my eyes. Refreshing to my eyes. The view is so amazing and it's really
Ito po yung main lobby nila, guys. Ito sa swimming area. Ito pa yung entrance nila. And washing area. This is the view. Let's ask Jomar, guys, kung anong review niya dito sa Mountain View Peak Resort. How many stars will you give it, Joms? And will you recommend it?
Yeah, of course. It's near the city and you can come here anytime you want. We'll go home na since we have work.
How many stars will you give it, Chan? 1 to 5,
I
five
give
is the highest.
infinite star.
And as always, guys, there's lots of places to take pictures, post on Instagram and Facebook, and also if you're a content creator, this is the best place to make new content. There's lots of resorts here, cafes, and places to hang out. I'll see you in a couple of minutes, guys, and let's ask Joy and Athena kung ano yung mga review nila dito sa Mountain View. Let's ask Athena guys kung ano yung review niya dito sa Mountain View Peak Resort. How many stars will you give Mountain View Peak Resort? 1 to 5, 5 is the highest. And will you recommend it?
If you're going to define mountain view, yes, it's really mountain view. Yeah. 5 out of 5. And I would highly recommend this with vehicle and service.
Yeah.
For those people who can't really use the pain of walking and climbing on top of mountain, you know guys, I won't recommend this because your heartbeat and at the same time your agility and your speed really matters, you know, especially if you're carrying heavy loads. The overall it's good. The experience
Thank
is
you. This is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next vlog. Happy Mother's Day pala guys. See you on the next adventure. Bye. Bye Chan.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.